The news from Satyam has even rattled Indian investors settled all over in the Gulf. But moving on, the Sharjah Tathweer Forum is engaging private companies by which they are helping the public and the private players understand how to go forward with private-public partnerships. Is this the way forward in economic times like this? Take a look. Private-public programs, or PPP, may be the way forward in troubled economic times like this. This message was made loud and clear by the due CEO Osman Sultan in Sharjah this week. He was inaugurating the third PPP forum in collaboration with Sharjah's Tathweer.
In the overall economic situation that the world is going through, we are all keen to ensure that we can invest in the proper way to ensure that we provide the necessary services to our customers, and is going to continue these investments. But if we can maximize the benefit by maximizing some of the investments we are doing and having a better communication with the public sector, this is something that we are very keen to see happening.
While two forums have been held in previous years, the government of Sharjah is yet to announce any concrete PPP program. But this will take time, said the forum members. These forums first seek to put the participants from the private and public domains on the same page.
I think people are taking this seriously. We are working with this program according to a strategy, and this strategy entails first and foremost educating people about the concept of the private-public partnership, bringing both sectors together, making them all on the same page. Once we achieve that, we will go to the second page, which is developing and conceiving projects. These projects we can start with a small and easy one. This could be an initiative.
The participants also hope that the third forum will help them in coming out with something concrete and maybe even take them through a project in the near future.
What is going on inside is basically it is not actually heated debates, but it's more exchanging ideas, putting ideas forwards, evaluating these ideas and seeing what is actually possible to implement by both the private sectors, the private sector and the public sector.
But this is not to say that there are no PPP initiatives in the country. Air Arabia, the budget airline of Sharjah, is one of the most successful PPP initiatives. Considering that the forum has had an association with DEW, maybe the PPP will go forward towards the telecom investments, as the industry investment in this segment is quite heavy, and this may be an easier route to take through in the sticky 2009. Well, I believe now it is time to take a break on the week that was, but on the other side we have to